If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To rename a layer in Photoshop, either double-click the name of the layer in the Layers panel, or select the layer to rename in the Layers panel, and then choose Layer, Rename Layer from the menu bar. Doing either action then highlights the name of the layer in the Layers panel. Then type a new name for the layer into the Layer Name field in the Layers panel, and press the Enter key on your keyboard to set the new layer name. To immediately delete a layer in Photoshop and bypass the deletion confirmation prompt, click and drag the layer to delete from the Layers panel and release it onto the Delete Layer button at the bottom of the Layers panel, which looks like a trash can icon. Note that you cannot delete a layer from the Layers panel with a full lock applied to it unless you first remove the full lock. Alternatively, to delete a layer in Photoshop and show the deletion confirmation prompt, select the layer to delete in the Layers panel. Then click the Delete Layer button at the bottom of the Layers panel. In the deletion confirmation prompt that then appears, click the Yes button to delete the layer, or click the No button to cancel the deletion. Also, remember you can use the Undo command or the History panel to undo mistakes that happen if you delete the wrong layer by accident. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.